the sight of the colours in that Oreo makes me feel sick.
Hi guys, so we were sent this skinny tea by Teamy Blends, and they also gave us these two really cute infusions of our colour choice. I got the lavender one and Rahmaa got the yellow one. And basically what it does is it helps with bloatedness and your food babies. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not gonna give you a six-pack, okay? You're gonna have to go to the gym for that.
Gotta be in top physical condition for today.
But
if you do feel bloated, it does help with that.
yeah,
Say,
if you suffer from that like me.
Say if you eat like 300 snacks like us.
Yes, like we had Chinese. I currently look like I'm 5 months pregnant, but that's, I mean, that's fine because that's about to go.
If you eat 300 snacks a day like us,
yeah,
like what you're gonna see in this video, use our discount code. What is the discount code?
it's good point. So the discount code is rahkaa 15 for 15% off all the products. So they also have skincare products as well, and they have tea steamers for your face. So basically you put it in boiling water, then you put a towel over your head and it helps get rid of all the toxins from your skin, blah blah blah. What else do they have? They have like a green tea mask that I haven't tried but I really want to.
Missing someone with all your own. Missing someone with
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back. So today
We're gonna be trying some snacks.
Yeah. And apparently they're Chinese snacks.
According to the man in the shop, cheesy.
They look like Cheetos.
They look like Cheetos, and apparently they're outrageously cheesy, and they're fortified with vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12,
Wow, we're so
and
healthy.
folic acid.
I mean, I don't know about you, but we're really getting of it.
I feel like when I was in the shop, I saw a lot of snacks that were like, that had like no fat and stuff, and it was all in the snacks aisle. Yes, chocolate flavored.
Oh,
soy milk. Oh, it's chocolate flavored soy milk.
Ah. So let me see. It's not nice.
It's okay.
What does it taste like? I'm scared.
Chocolate flavored soy milk. It's alright, but it's not like chocolate flavored milk.
Yeah, it's watery.
Yeah. Next snack we're gonna try is sweet potato chips, and I love sweet potatoes, so
do I.
when I saw this I was like, I need to start doing that.
Rahmaa actually picked all the snacks today because she went shopping.
There was so much choice and I just couldn't.
If it's not good, then we know whose fault that is. I'm not taking any responsibility.
1 hour later.
Do I help with that? No, are you sure?
2 hours later.
No, I got this.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time.
Wow, my friend said I was good.
I know. There you go. We can try it at the same time.
Okay. So this is what it looks like.
Wow.
What's it got inside it, just out of curiosity? Does it not say? How many calories is it?
I don't know, but it is very
It says 530 calories. What the hell is in it?
and 20 grams of sugar.
It's very
Sweet. For sweet potato.
It's very dry. No, hard. You know what I mean?
No, but a lot of vegetable crisps taste similar to this, but this is,
yeah, but this is very, very hard.
it's very crunchy and very sweet. I don't think I'm a big fan,
Moving on.
but I'm gonna have one more. From home.
Okay, moving on.
This one's gonna be nicer.
I'm gonna try the Hello Panda chocolate filling biscuits.
This one, I feel like it's gonna be good. I've seen this one before.
It's got a little
This one?
picture of a panda.
These are good. The outside is very crunchy. Like, but it's
And
not
the
like,
inside like melted chocolate.
it's not like crunchy. It's like
No.
the crunch is easily when you crunch on it, if that makes sense.
Yeah, not like
it
what we just had.
it's more of a crumble more so than a crunch, and it's fantastic.
Yeah. And they're very
nice,
sweet.
and then it has like a nice chocolate filling.
Yeah, I'm a fan of these ones. I also want to try Korean snacks, but we don't know where to get them from. I think we're gonna have to order them from online.
Yeah, I think so. Because
If you have any suggestions for Korean snacks, then write them down below, please.
or where to get them even. Because
Yeah. This looks a lot like
they
Cheetos, even
smell
the packaging.
cheesy, but they don't smell like Cheetos. They
And
smell
they
a
don't-
lot more cheesy, and they don't
And
look like
yeah,
Cheetos.
Cheetos are very even shaped. This is very like
See,
wobbly
they're
and
all irregular.
bendy. Yeah.
They're very cheesy.
This is like
Trying to find a way
Cheetos
to
on a
describe
diet. No?
On a diet,
Yeah. So like Cheetos with less diabetes.
do you think?
Yeah.
I think it tastes more cheese than Cheetos.
Really? I don't.
The hell, it's very overwhelming. The taste of cheese.
It tastes lighter.
Oh.
Apparently it's fortified with vitamins, so
And we
This is
saved
what I
the
came here
best
for.
to last. For last. Oreos!
the birthday cake flavoured Oreos. And they had a lot of different flavours. But we chose the birthday cake ones because the other one, it was like the flavours looked a bit weird.
There was like maca flavour,
Yeah.
some fruity flavours, and I thought fruit and
This
Oreo
looked like
would
the
be
same
disaster.
stuff. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That is really sweet. Ooh, that is
Good?
very sweet. Right? All I taste is artificial flavourings and colours.
I've never had birthday
I feel
cake.
like this is going to give me ADHD.
I've never had birthday cake that tastes like this. I've never had birthday cake.
If you gave this to a child, they would literally go jumping off the walls.
I was really looking forward to that one. I really thought I hit the
Jackpot.
jackpot, but I didn't.
I'm sad. I thought we'd have enough snacks.
Yeah, I thought I needed more snacks in it. When I was in the shop and you said, no, that's enough. And
I don't know why, because when you were carrying them, there were so many in your hand.
Do you know why? Because there was like this, it was a mountain.
Oh.
Even me, I felt like I was carrying bare snacks because I was looking at so much snacks. And I got to the checkout, I was like, oh,
No, when you are a snack, you get a bit confused sometimes.
come on now. Stepped in looking like a snack. Guys, this is the ADHD kicking in now, Jane. So,
Oh, the disclaimer, guys, I'm not this Caucasian in real life. The sun is making me look like
bit more of
Casper. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I know we have said this multiple times, but we really mean it now.
We're gonna be more
Yeah, we're
consistent.
going to be more consistent.
Now we're in play. Oh, my ass.
Oh, my snacks.
In the meantime, while Khadijah's getting you the discount code, I'm just gonna distract you with my dance moves. Okay.
Okay, well, we're doing that again.
Let's get the cooking, sister.
I don't think you have to cook the beans on toast.
Huh?
Missing someone.